We ink is right at resistance. I think for me today, it's gonna be easier to watch SPY and QQQ. To be honest, guys. Yeah, so we have SPY and QQQ above PVH. Holding the VWAP as support. So I kind of need a pullback. I'll be careful going short on here today unless you have a clear either break of the trend, which right now the trend is bullish, or a break of the VWAP. Like there's no reason to go short right now, even if it pulls back. You're having zero indication that the market is bearish today so far. Can QQQ hold PDH? Same thing with ES. I would love to see ES pulling back, holding PDH plus the VWAP, and we can play bounce here. Same thing here. Yeah, I'm not getting the pullback that I want on the Q SPY. Maybe with data I can get it. I'm gonna try here this VWAP hold. I mean, ES is fighting here. The Q still can go a little bit lower to retest previous day's highs and the VWAP. Yeah, I got out. I don't like that move. And see how ENK is gonna react to previous day's highs and the VWAP. Yeah, we have SPY having a lot of trouble holding previous day's highs. Both the Q and SPY are under the VWAP. I would like to see something like this, holding 604. This doesn't look like a pullback because the 30-minute candle is bigger. This 30-minute candle is bigger than the one before, so it's engulfing. Previous 30-minute candle, so this is not a pullback. Yeah, I really want to see the Q holding the VWAP in 604. That would be great. Okay, this looks a lot better. Can the Q hold the VWAP here? I'm gonna try it. It looks like it wants to. If SPY can hold the VWAP, I like it a lot because it pulled back to morning's low, held, and now it's trying to break the VWAP. So if that happens, I think we could see another retest of 674.50. I'm selling one there, locking some profits. Yeah, I got to stop out there. It might fake me out. Maybe. Yeah, it looks like it faked me out. I'm gonna try it again, guys. Are we gonna have another day like yesterday? Ugly price action, choppy mess in a very small range. Come on, give me a strong push there. Okay, took some profits there. Okay. I'm setting one more there. And I got to stop out there. I guess we can just trade bounce and rejections here over and over again until it doesn't work. I could trade here the VWAP hold on ES. Let's see. VWAP hold on ES. Yeah, I'm out. So far, I'm off $57 for the day. So much stress for nothing. Is NQ gonna hold the VWAP again? The Q is holding the VWAP. Yeah, it's no bueno. Today looks just like yesterday. Look today's price action. Is this? What are we doing? Nothing. Just holding. Being very choppy. I'm gonna try a long here on SPY. My idea is to see if we're just gonna keep chopping around, holding support and rejecting resistance. Literally doing this. Yeah, I gotta stop out there. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's going down. Under this little level here, you have today's low. We're gonna keep going lower. Maybe fill the gap till today's close. Looks like we're going to reject here. Let's see. Are we going for the gap? It's gonna be very difficult for ES to go lower if the Q keeps holding. This 30-minute candle is not looking bearish like at all. I feel like we're gonna have like a strong push to the upside. Yeah, I think Enki is gonna push hard. Okay. Nah, this is a horrible day. I'm down almost $600 today, guys. Oh, this is stupid. Make it or break it. There I got to stop out. This really stopped me out and went down. I only have like $546 of drawdown on these accounts. Horrible day for me, but some days are gonna be like that. Sorry.